Fly are the scarlet mothballs from South America.
Oh, they're from what's that movie with those birds?
Yeah.
With Rio. That's how they look like.
That guy's name is Heineken after a beer.
Well, we've only seen 6,000 of them so far. What we got in here? Oh, the white one right up top.
Molly and Heineken are in there.
Red and white.
Oh yeah. Trying to get out.
Look at there.
Who's in this one?
Max and Salt.
That one in the back?